Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on CESC. Analyst maintains a buy rating on the stock with a revised price target of Rs 195. Company has a plan of 3.2 gigawatt of renewable capacity addition in next 4 to 5 years. Expansion in renewable energy portfolio and turnaround of the business would further aid the earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.